Hi, we're Mike and Ashley, and we are the faces behind joyfullygrowingblog.com. Right now, we work from home as full-time bloggers, but it didn't start out that way. I originally started the blog to showcase some of our DIY projects and home decor things that we were working on in our very first home back in Bozeman, Montana. Once I realized blogging was so much fun and we could actually earn money blogging, it became a whole new world for us. Eventually, Mike was laid off from the job he was working at the time, and we took that opportunity for him to come work full-time as a blogger, and it's been so much fun ever since.
Back when Ashley started the blog in 2016, I never would have guessed that I would have ended up becoming a home decor and DIY blogger.
But you love it, right?
I do.
On our channel, you can find simple DIY tutorials and easy home decor tips to help you love the home you're in without breaking the bank. We have a passion for teaching others how they can easily transform their space into something that they love, whether it's a small little DIY project or a full room makeover.
We offer education through step-by-step tutorials and downloadable printables so that you can go from overwhelmed to overjoyed when it comes to all things DIY, decor, and design.
We love showing people how to use the power tools. That's where Mike comes in with all of his power tool obsessions. And then I show how to easily decorate and swap in and out pieces to create a space that brings joy. So whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or a full-time RVer, we believe that your home should be a place that you love. We're so glad you stopped by our channel. We hope our tips and tutorials will help you learn how to love the home you're in and live with less. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.